My people no be small thing o. They say Ijele don come outside with a new video come dey show us say that the bulldozer or the payloader wey the Biafra army say they don burn, say they no burn anything. Ijele go went ahead come talk say na trap they use am set for the Biafra armies, and he talk so many things for this video which I want everybody to listen and watch because we are following this fight o wey him carry go or wan go fight, and dey follow am very very well. But e get wetin again wey I wan talk for here today. My people, things are really happening. Even though tomorrow say we later come get freedom, things no go easy for us o, because I don see say many bad egg plenty for inside Igbo land. However, let us go and watch the videos and see wetin him talk. But as we talk that one, oh, they say one aboki don come outside. They come talk say that you know, say if politics, if election don dey reach like this, they go try to bring things to make their brothers or other people they head the Igbos. Na Igbo do this one. He said they don too buy their northern brothers for Port Harcourt, for Igbo land, for everywhere. Say they no go agree, they go start the revenge for the retaliate or the revenge for inside the northern part. So if you're an Igbo man and you live in the north, I beg may use one eyes the watches where they happen around you, may not be the victim of these circumstances. No talk say we no talk more or you know hear am for this channel. I beg may I play the videos for you, may you watch and share. Follow this page for more updates as they hot.
Ha go payload ha gba ọsọ ọ gaghị tinye ọkụ ka a na-afụ ya anya live gbagodi ọkụ na ha gba go payload ha gba ọsọ live tinye ọkụ mepe gas ya copy.
Wonderful people, please let me analyze the video for you a little bit. That shout, hey, whoa, yeah, they hear that time. Now when they knock the pama, they thought those bulldozers have been abandoned. They are shouting payload that they don't even know the difference. Whom it? I can't tell the difference between freedom fighting and, of course, they know they are criminals. But if they can deceive them into joining in the first place, how would they know what is a bulldozer and what's a payloader? Please tell them or challenge, open challenge. If they show you any video, they are on a daytime now. The so-called payloader is still there. Let them go in front of that vehicle and make a video. Let me see. Please, Governor Tas Soludo, we are asking you this operation. That place is even Anambra State. The place that bulldozer is in Anambra State, and that bulldozer is a kind of not giving us what we want, and it can't work alone. We need like extra floor. That place is Osumo. You can help us, even if the soldiers in Onisha are not ready. They can send us those bulldozers. We'll be clearing why they themselves prepare for operations, because operations are not what you just start up doing. You have to pull men from so many places. Why they are at that, we can use those bulldozers to move further. That's the only thing we will clear that place with. And when this is all over, also people, also move people, also Itokwa people, they will need to drive bulldozers around all the places these guys were planting all these IEDs. That's the only way we can stop all these explosions that are harming our own people. Please, back to the topic. That they did not steal that. It was when they wanted to go there, because we don't want to go back. That's why that those bulldozers are there. We don't want to move back. We are not pulling back. We will march until we enter that valley. We either seal off that valley with explosives or we go there, but be rest assured that every single person there will perish. We will take it over. So we left all those things there to show them that we are not going back. It's forward all the way. We are going all the way. We are going to press them until we vanquish them. Alain Onyema can take them to his houses all over Nigeria. Yes, he can harbor them all he wants, since all these people from Lille, Iseke, and all these places don't want to help themselves. Let alone Onyema carry them, take them, Shebi Usabi, fly them, go America. Fly them, but federal government will not spend 1 kobo in any amnesty program. I mean, they tell you. So, make ego, and for those of you that have been making some kind calls, Ijele is not leaving this place. Udele will remain in also. Shebi now when I say when I want see me now, don't come now. And I say when I don't they make call. Even the chief of army staff cannot remove me from this also because I'm in my land. Okay, because I am in my land. See, they hear the gunshot. Yes, this is real life. No be movie. They shoot. They shoot very close to this place. So we are not giving an inch. We are moving. Please, we need those bulldozers. We need them. They are very important. Governor Hope, we need bulldozers. Nobody would give us this because they thought maybe it would get lost. And maybe that's why they are making all these videos, in order for people not to loan us bulldozers. Those of you that are interested in ending this scourge of IPOB ESN, if any of you can offer us bulldozers, please, I will make sure it's returned safely to you. We are not moving an inch backward. Thank you so much, guys. Hello, my people. No be the old bulldozer where them say them bomb be this. No be the bulldozer where they say them bomb. No be this side. That Utobo. Been the talk say the one put the fire. No be the vehicle be this. Eh? No be this one be the vehicle where they say they born. Utobo. Utobo. No be this thing they say they born. Okoko. Akwamota kasina ezuru. No be the thing where they say they born be this. I want go around at least go rewatch their video. Trap where we set for them. You dey see them? Go rewatch the video, make you see them. Now the same old bulldozer where they talk say them born. No be the bulldozer be this. Anu here. Bushmeat. Bushmeat. No be motor when I say no be here the bullets they touch. See them. No be when they fire them. Umuewu no be be this. No be the thing when I say una born. Umuoko anekwa na akoheri. Bushmeat anu ya. Neku no dicha. Umuewu oho mota kunu so no born. Eh? Okwa mota. Okwa the same old tractor. Bulldozer. Asununu born. Akwa di ya. Na akoheri ye ne nyinyari. Idiot. The PG of Asia community, Tona Nwabreze. You see, full name is Tona Ferdinand Nwabreze. You are going to pay for everything you did. I just want you to know that when this is all said and done, the only thing that will save you in Alibo will be you buying yourself. Susu, you know which Susu I mean? SUICIDE will be the best thing that will happen to you because you will beg for buying. It will not come. I guarantee you, you see you and the traditional ruler, cultural ruler, in actual sense, of Asia, this thing you people turned Asia to. So Asia is where they now sell all the properties of your brothers they stole from Osumohu, Osihitukwa, Lilu, Iseke, and the environs. Ihiala local government, all the things they are stealing, they are selling it in your place. And POS business now is the biggest industry in Asia. Don't assume you are not getting all this information. You see, I'm right here in Osuhitukwa. I'm currently at Osuhitukwa. I will come to Asia. You will soon sue me in Asia. You will have to explain. In fact, hope you don't explain yourself to me. We wouldn't come to that. Ikwene ko rute by from Ngwa to na Ferdinand Okeke. I don't know why the Anambra State Governor, Professor Charles Soludo, is still leaving someone like you. You and the traditional ruler of Asia. Are you going to deny knowledge of the people doing this in Asia or what they are doing in Asia? Are you going to deny it? Eh? Are you going to deny it? Then the PG of Sumohu, somebody Okeke, Kweforoge, all of you, your names are in the book of remembrance. I guarantee you that. Ndị ọzọ hapụ godu unu mụ ga-ebere unu isi personally. Ndị ọzọ hapụ godu unu mụ ama hapụ. All this evil unu na-eme, and what's his name? Allen Onyama, ihere megbukwa egi. Unu can negotiate go do what you will do with them. You are still negotiating. Mandin kunu na plan iruru no Allen Onyama. So you prefer giving these people amnesty. What sort of amnesty are you talking about? I saw your video the other time. You were telling people, and they are back to killing people. Amnesty without disarmament. Oh, each and a federal government gabi butego ke emekwa another amnesty program. Mama eba ki she butego nkegu. Of all the things this country has done for you, of all the things you've benefited from this country after the COVID, I know how much you made. I know the tax break you were given to the tune of billions. So many airlines would have gone down, including your own, which you know. When they tried to steal your money, the Boeing people, all of us were out, shouting, screaming, posting, attacking them. And when you give back to your community, is coming to buy bags of rice as before these people started destroying our communities. Can't people in the village, living in villages, buy their own rice they will eat? In a bibite rice, don't worry, this will not last forever. And kunu eme POS, nazi anaji POS, una miari ego ndị mmadụ. Una na-ebuari millions n'ime POS unu n'Azia. Don't worry, ọ ga-eru niile. Ote ha aka. Jenu mark ya, unu ga-afụ m n'Azia one day. Akwụfụrụ ọsụ itokwa unu. Infinish ebe ahụ unu ga-afụ m dị. Cherenu. Between now and September, unu ga-afụ m n'Azia. Go and mark it. Keep on hiding that anụ mpama na-akpọ onwe ya bute ụzọ. Kunu ha. Ke afa ada na-egbu ọkọ na ndị otu ya. All the people from Asia, don't worry, I need more information from Asia, and Asia, keep sending them in. I'm going to deal with them. Yeah. It's bringing memories, fun memories. Just see how Olu has changed. And all these fools that want to ruin Imo State for us. Just watch Olu. This is a place I used to know. Mama Chisa, they used to live down there. If you follow the streets down there, house, if you follow back here, you will get to their house. The mom used to work at a place around this side. Back here is Omuna. Straight is where my formal school is. You can even still see the Nigel, I said Nigel. The Nigel pole there. The school, special school for the dumb and what? Deaf and dumb is up there. Back here used to be where we follow to go and watch Ekeleke, is that what they call it? And this is that total we used to know, that popular total in all. And this is the market. Watch how clean everywhere is. Watch how tidy everywhere is. Well taken care of. Well taken care of. See that road straight to Allied. And Umu Tobo want to spoil our standard about you. If from Nandekano, you know go that way.
Seriously, abin da ake mana a arewa, yan arewa wannan cin mutunci ya yawa. Kashe mana mutane ake yi. Our youth has been killed in Port Harcourt. Our youth has been killed in Enugu State. Our youth has been killed in Odo State. Just of recent, an kashe mana mutane a Enugu, an kashe mana mutane a Edo, duk wani wuri a gefen nan a gefen kudancin Najeriya kashe mana mutane ake yi. They kill our people. We are not living peace in southern part of Nigeria. Why are we not Nigerian? So I'm using this opportunity as the president of Northern Nigeria to appeal for the president of Federal Republic of Nigeria to appeal for our security agencies. The recent attack of Aboki Moscow in Port Harcourt, after a consultation and making research, we realized 4 of our members has been killed. Kusan mutane hudu aka kashe mana matasa a Port Harcourt. So in this note, yanzu muna bin abubuwa ne a hankali, gradually. We are law-abiding citizens. We are watching to see if the government will take note, if the government will arrest and bring those who are killing our youth to justice. If not, wallahi ida murama, we are going to retaliate. Yanzu dai kawai muna bin abubuwa ne kawai a hankali, we are going to retaliate. Kuma lokacin da mu matasan arewa da murama, in da murama fa abin ba zai yi kyau ba, domin we have Igbos living in Abuja. Majority of the business in northern Nigerians, Igbo are the one doing it, and they are living in peace. Ba ma kashe su. So ya dai akwai Igbo a arewacin Najeriya suna harkan su a Abuja, suna harkan su a Kano, suna harkan su a ko ina a arewacin Najeriya. Ba ma musu komai, amma mu kuma suna kashe mana mutane. What happened in Port Harcourt ma, Igbo has no any business with it. It's between a northerner with his fellow brother northerner, 2 northerners. But at the end of the day, Igbo tried to hijack the whole process and start killing our people. Please our security agencies, please our leaders from the northern Nigerian, ku yi wani abu. Ya kamata ku dinga magana, kashe mana mutane da ake yi fa yana yawa. Shiru da muke yi da hakuri da muke yi ba wanda muna tsoro bane ba, a'a. Mu yan arewa muna da hakuri ne kuma san mu da hakuri. In this note, ina kiran matasan arewa, matasa ku yi hakuri da wannan abu da ya faru. Amma cikin kwanan nan in gwamnati bata dauka mataki ba, mu da mu fito a matsayin mu na shugabannin ku mu ga mu dauka mataki. Kuma mun sani da namu fara. Akwai gurare kamar su Abuja, su Kano da sauransu. Da mai fara dauka mataki a irin wannan wurare. Tunda Igbo ma suna yin business nasu, amma muna ga musu ku yi hakuri matasa. All our youth in northern Nigeria should be patient. Allow security agencies to do their job. And I want to use this opportunity to appreciate Tukubo Asare and most of the leaders, Ijele leaders and leaders in Port Harcourt that came out openly and disassociate themselves with this terrorist attack by the Igbos. So thank you very much. May Allah bless and each one of you.
My people, I beg as you don't watch this video, may you share them and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. You don't read.